What if I told you that the same WhatsApp you use to chat with friends could become your main source of income in 2025? Yes, that same app sitting on your phone could actually make you money if you know how to use it right. In this video, I'll show you how people are turning WhatsApp into a money machine and how you can do the same, step by step. Stay till the end because I'll share real methods that work this year, not old recycled ones. Welcome to Tech Money Central, where we teach you how to turn your phone into a smart income source. If you're tired of just using your phone for fun and you want to use it to earn, you're in the right place. Today, you'll discover how to monetize WhatsApp in 2025, using real strategies that anyone can start with. So why WhatsApp? Because in 2025, it's used by nearly 3 billion people across 180 countries. Meta keeps adding new business tools, payment options, catalogs, and even AI features. It's no longer just a chat app, it's a full business platform. While others chase TikTok and Instagram, WhatsApp is still under-monetized, meaning less competition and more opportunity for you. Before you start earning, you need a solid setup. Get WhatsApp Business. It's free and adds automated replies, product catalogs, and professional tools. Choose your niche. Don't sell everything. Focus fashion, tech, finance, crypto, education. Whatever fits your interest. Optimize your profile. Use a clean display picture, a short bio, and links to your store. Affiliate page or payment link. Post valuable statuses. Stop posting random quotes. Use your status like a digital billboard. Share quick tips or offers that build trust. Here's where the money comes in. Let's go through 6 real ways to monetize WhatsApp. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products using your affiliate links. Use platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Jumia affiliates. Post relatable stories, testimonials, or results, not just links. Emotion sells better than links selling digital products. If you can create books, guides, or courses, sell them directly through WhatsApp. Use payment platforms like Paystack or Stripe. Send buyers the download link instantly after payment. Monetize WhatsApp communities. Build niche groups like AI Hustle Club or Crypto Learners. Give free value at first, then charge for premium access or private mentorship. Communities build loyalty, and loyalty equals consistent income. Paid broadcast lists. Create a private broadcast list where subscribers pay monthly for exclusive updates or business insights. This turns WhatsApp into your personal newsletter with steady income. Automation services help small businesses automate replies or build WhatsApp funnels using tools like Wadi or Zoco. You don't need coding skills, just learn how the tools work. Businesses pay monthly for automation help. WhatsApp channels. Meta's new channels feature works like Telegram channels, perfect for updates, news, or tips. Grow your channel and monetize it through affiliate links, sponsorships, or paid promotions. Some creators already earn $500 to $2,000 monthly from their WhatsApp channels. Now that you know the methods, you need attention. Post daily statuses. People remember what they see often. Join groups in your niche. Don't spam. Connect. Offer free value first. Example, join my WhatsApp list for daily tech money tips. Encourage sharing. Word of mouth spreads faster than ads. Once you start earning, use tools to scale. AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write messages or product descriptions. Funnels. Collect leads and send them from WhatsApp to your website or YouTube channel. Mini courses deliver short lessons directly through voice notes or PDFs. Bundle offers. Combine products or affiliate deals into packages. These help you move from casual income to consistent cash flow. Here's a realistic plan you can follow. Week 1. Set up WhatsApp Business and pick your niche. Week 2-4. Post content daily. Grow your contacts and test affiliate products. Month 2. Launch your first digital product or paid group. Month 3. Automate and scale. Build your systems for repeat income with steady effort. You can earn between $100 $1,000 a month depending on your consistency and reach. Avoid these common traps. Spamming your contacts, selling before building trust, adding people to groups without consent, ignoring feedback or analytics, quitting too soon. Remember, WhatsApp monetization is built on relationships, not random messages. Right now, thousands of people are making money through WhatsApp, not by luck, but by consistency. You already use it daily. Now it's time to use it smartly. Start small, add value, Stay consistent, and you'll be shocked how fast your audience grows. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe to Tech Money Central, and turn on the notification bell because more powerful tutorials are coming your way. Drop a comment below. Which WhatsApp money method are you trying first? Your comment might inspire the next video. This is Tech Money Central, turning your tech into money.